Good people, we got T-Mobile and Dish news here today. Let's start first with the T-Mobile story. Looks like they're going to be cleaning Windows now. All right, story from Linda Hardesty, FierceWireless.com. I'm just playing. I don't know what this is. Let's see. T-Mobile for Business is going to be providing connectivity for Lucid Drone Technologies' fleet of industrial drones, which are going to be specifically for window cleaning. All right, cool. So we got ourselves a use case for connectivity. Why this is 4G LTE, I don't know. You would think it would be some kind of 5G investment. Anyways, these are spraying drones that do exterior washing of commercial buildings, their surfaces, and their windows. And it says here initially, T-Mobile for Business will deliver 4G LTE connectivity to facilitate the window cleaning and real-time battery utilization information, diagnostics, firmware and software updates. All right, so I think the reason they're saying initially is because they'll probably move towards 5G whenever they decide to make that hardware plunge and make that investment. The companies also plan to leverage T-Mobile's 5G network in the future to fly drones beyond line of sight and power more data-intensive capabilities like video streaming. All right, so it looks like the limitations of 4G LTE are kind of holding things back a bit. But this is probably going to be something that should kick up and ramp up in the near term, in the near future. I know Verizon's been doing a lot with drones, and it looks like T-Mobile is as well. So this is pretty cool. Good partnership for them. We've been encouraging this. We really hope to see more of this happening, and glad that they're getting contracts and partnerships like this. That's pretty important, and we know that that's an uphill battle that they're climbing, especially with names like Verizon and AT&T, who are securely in the fold when it comes to business enterprise. All right, let's move over to story number 2. Also Fierce Wireless. This one from Dish, Monica Alvin. Dish contributes PAL to CBRS pilot with Duke, Cisco. Okay, let's see what this is about. Dish is partnering with Cisco to offer Duke University a neutral host network pilot for higher education institution using CBRS shared spectrum. Okay, cool. We got ourselves a partnership here for Dish, where they're essentially going to build a private 5G network based for research and education. Trial begins this summer. Very cool. It's going to combine general authorized access, so those are unlicensed spectrum assets, and they're also going to use priority access license. Those are PALs, so private access licenses. Dish probably owns, so it's going to be a combination of those two things, and that should deepen and widen the channels to offer some really nice capacity. I think Dish in many instances has like 10 or 20 megahertz of spectrum in CBRS, and then there's probably like 30, 40, 50, depending. It's first come, first served. There'll be some additional spectrum there as well. In collaboration with industry and higher education members, it says here from the president and CEO, Howard Pfeffer, told Fierce, we continue to explore areas of collaboration and opportunities to support our members. That's the Internet 2 president. All right, so we got ourselves Dish getting in the door on an enterprise business type of collaboration deal. This is pretty awesome. I'm very encouraged by this. Very nice. They're going to be looking to do more of this. Now they're in the education sector, apparently. They'll be getting in the business sector, and they're doing commercial networking. So big news out of Dish and T-Mobile with partnerships for their business. Like, share, subscribe for more, and turn on that bell notification. Never miss an upload. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.